crack on, lads. We need to get this area clear today.
Okay, Phil.
Hello, Phil Pryor. Hi, Terry. Yeah, we're just getting that order to you now. Yeah, it's the grey slate floor tiles. Yeah, the 12x12s, okay? Yeah, just give us a sec. Carl, I need you to quickly go and measure up the new kitchen area for us so that we can work out how many tiles to get in. We need to get the whole dimensions of the floor area and then we'll know what we need to get in. They're just under 12x12s, all right?
What, now? I'm doing all this. Gaz needs it all clear so we can move on later. I ain't got a tape measure anyways.
I need that square footage right now. Terry's on hold. Here, take this, write it down, bring it straight back.
Right on what? I haven't got a pen either.
Here. Come on, crack on, Carl. We're on a deadline. Come on, mate. All right. Hello, Terry. Yeah, sorry, mate. Yeah, the lad's just doing it now. All right, okay. Yeah, I won't be a sec. Cheers.
Okay, so 17.7. Inches. 6 inches. Is that millimeters?
Carl, have you got those measurements? Terry couldn't wait all day. I couldn't find them.
Yeah, mate, I left them on the desk next to your tape measure.
No, I've looked. I can't find them. Oh, never mind. I'll do it myself. Carl, you got a minute?
Nah, mate. Gaz leaves his delivery unloaded. Catching a bit, yeah?
Here he goes.
He'll never get it all in one piece. Look, it's gonna go.
He's not even got his hard hat on, man. Oh, it's a health and safety nightmare. You see that sign next in there? Do you see that? Look.
What?
Then you get it.
Yeah, I get it. It's just not that funny, that's all.
Well, okay then.
What's his problem?
Who's gonna keep a builder on who can't even measure a floor? I've had it. I'll be out on my ear again. I thought I was just settling in. Nobody had noticed. I can manage some of the basic stuff, but the rest... Sod it.
Carl, before you go, can we just have a quick chat?
Nah, sorry mate, I got a lift. I'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
Carl, it's just a chat. There's nothing wrong. Look, I think you could do with a hand with the measuring up and the calculations and stuff.
Will I lose my job? It's just the maths. The reading's fine. Well, mostly, just the big stuff, you know?
Carl, you won't lose your job. Let me help you, yeah? Maybe I can try and find you a class. Let me give you a lift, eh?
I need this job.
I know. Okay. I'll give you a lift and we'll see what we can do. You've got to start somewhere, yeah?
I know, but...
We can sort this.
Okay, fine. Just a chat.
The character Carl in our film has difficulty with maths, and we see him struggling to measure the area of a kitchen floor to work out how many tiles they need to order. Let's start with a look at techniques we can use to measure correctly. It's important that the tape is placed against the end of the area we want to measure and covers the entire length needed. We then note the number. We need to know what unit we are using. Meters, centimeters and millimeters, or is it inches and feet? We operate a metric system, that's centimeters and meters, but industries like construction often still use the imperial measurements, inches and feet. In the film, the foreman refers to square footage, so we need to measure in inches and feet. An inch is more than twice as long as a centimetre, therefore used a larger unit. For example, on the tape measure shown on the screen, the top numbers are inches and the bottom are centimetres. A tape measure will only measure in one direction, 1D or one dimension. The floor of a regular shaped room is a 2D shape. These two dimensions can be referred to as length and width. To work out the area of the floor, we need to start by measuring both the length and the width, remembering to use the correct units, in this case, feet. Remember that 1 foot equals 12 inches. To calculate an area like a kitchen floor, just multiply the two measurements together, length and width. For example, if the kitchen in the film was 6 feet in one direction and 8 feet in the other, the calculation would be 6 times 8, to give a square footage of 48 square feet. So, we have our area. These tiles are 12 by 12, that's inches, and we know that 12 inches make up 1 foot. So, the tiles are 1 foot by 1 foot square. We multiply the length and width together, 1 times 1, which equals 1, which gives each tile an area of 1 square foot. Use the same units of measurement all the way through your calculations. It could get very confusing otherwise. To work out how many tiles we need, divide the area of the floor by the area of one tile. 48 divided by 1 equals 48. So, you need 48 tiles to cover the floor. We can help you develop your math skills and more. Just call and visit your local Unlocking Doors hub for help and advice.
Unlocking Doors to Education.